Here's how to remove parental controls on Android. So go ahead, open your system settings on your phone first. Then after scroll all the way down and select Google. Once you're there, you need to go to the section of all services. Then scroll down and find the option of parental controls, which you will find under the section of children and family. Select parental controls option. And if you've not set parental controls, this will let you set up on your phone. If you're sure you want to do this, go ahead and select let's do this. But in the case if you already have parental controls enabled on your device, you'll see the three dots in the top right corner. Select it, and then there you'll get the option of stop supervision. A message will appear explaining the consequences, and if you're sure, go ahead and tap on stop supervision. You'll need to wait 5 minutes, and after that it will change to 24 hours. Tap on parent access in the bottom right corner and enter the code provided by your parent, which is found in the Family Link app on their device. Then tap on close, and the parental controls are now removed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.